Dzień dobry. So we are in the Czech Republic, especially we are in Mała Upa. I think this is one of my favorite cities. Small town, right?
Very small town.
Yes, in the Czech Republic. As usual, we will have a lunch here for the knedel and the goulash. I'll show you later on.
And kofola.
Here, kofola. And also, Mała Upa is famous for the ski resort. As you see surround me, over there is already like the
Ski.
place.
Nobody there actually. We saw it one guy going. There is. They make a snow or artificial snow. Oh, there is one guy actually, and then you can cruise it. And somewhere behind this one, there is for the kids learning.
Yes, and
Baby,
then ski school.
Look at behind you. Actually, the sky color is so beautiful, blue, clear, and it's minus temperature here.
So
Okay.
freezing cold.
Freezing cold and nice. You can buy ski pass here. Dobra, idziemy. Let's have a walk a little bit. Generally beautiful. Yeah. So we actually intended to go today to Gdańsk this morning. but
Change my mind.
we need to change her mind and say I don't want to go to Gdańsk because yesterday was, the sad situation in Bondi Beach and then floods in Bali. So many negativity. We decided to go peaceful nature in the mountains. Here there is like 20 people in the city instead of 500 or 1 million, right? Generally, that's how does it look like. The one thing about the mountains in the winter is that reminds me of the Banff, Canada, where I was. This fresh air, cold, crispy, but the beautiful, beautiful blue sky. This is like, Mała Upa ski school. This is really like a place for the locals and the Polish who really know where to go, out of the track completely, because not too many people going. This is like a very small road actually coming here. Look at this car actually for the snow. And there is no snow, but the car is ready. Maybe sometimes there is actually a lot of snow. Sayang, you looks freezing.
No, it's cold, and there are so many apartments, hotel, like wellness hotel, like this,
Yeah.
swimming pool, and it's not as touristy as another ski resort.
No,
I think
tak.
that
Most of people going to the Śnieżka area, the mountain, or the Splindrowy Młyn, which is like a resort city. This is small town, very small. So something is here. I don't know what is the statue, and generally is the snow behind this one. And then I just wanna show you the. Actually, you could ski, but there is nobody there. It must be cheap actually though if it's nobody there. Anyways, I mean it's just not so popular destination. Sayang, you wanna touch the snow? It's ice, Sayang. Be careful, it's slippery. Yeah. Sayang, maybe 10 more years in Poland I will teach you how to ski, no? Yeah. I believe there is nobody there. There's one guy actually. Only one guy. I think this is because everybody go to the Splindrowy Młyn or the other big resorts. And there's also not that much snow though. So yeah. Even the rest. This is actually the thing about this place. It's extremely quiet no matter what time of the year we come.
yes.
It's like maybe not many people know about this one, I think it's the lunchtime time.
Let's
Idziemy? Okay, let's go. Oh, the guy coming, let's have a look.
Ooh.
Maybe we teach you, Sayang, how to ski next day, next time.
No.
No.
Let's go.
Actually, this guy must be lucky as hell as he as he have a whole place for himself actually, no?
Ooh.
Must be cool actually, no?
Nice.
Ooh, no queues. He can just go. Idziemy, let's go. This is actually school, Sayang, so if so you can come here and learn.
I wanna watch how they learn
How to ski? Yeah. It's like a school. It's pretty nice. For Winnie, something totally new, Totally new. They put the decoration on the street. Yeah. So this is actually how they learn. They have a slaloms, small kids. Actually, this is for kids. Are you pretty size of the kids?
Size of the, look at the widgets.
No, so cool. Actually cool, isn't it? Small,
With
not
the
so.
crisp, fresh air, you know,
No.
it's nice.
Definitely. So cool.
And when you are in the Czech Republic is also famous for the pivo, which is a beer, and everywhere you go there must be like this pivo bar,
Brewery.
like brew. The smell of the beer. Let's
Yeah,
go
and they
to
have
the goulash.
also nice goulash there. Alright, let's go. So lovely.
And the sunlight is actually so sharp here, Kohanye. And then we decided to have a what is it, nedliski? Goulash. And with
Český knedlík.
yes, I decided to have a hot tea. It's for me. And the view of this. Very nice.
We have our goulash. Český knedlíky with this is like our favorite food in Czech. Sam. The sun is so strong, Sam. Are you okay? You can sit there.
Look this one.
So good, yeah?
I have
With kofola.
with the bread, hot bread, like this.
Nota. Oh, so good, yeah? And then with the view outside, like this one.
Kohani Savage, look, they play on the stage.
No, that's the students, sayang. After learn. Ooh, look at this kid. Ooh. Ooh. So like this, sayang. Babe, I think next 1-2 years when you already handle the cold, I will come here and teach you how to ski. We will going together, no? Oh, look at this. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. So nice. Yes? And the weather is so beautiful, son. This like mountain weather, totally different vibe. And this house for the ski is nice also. So now it's so many people, you can see. That's the kids, instructor, son.
Nice. Oh my god.
So cool, huh?
Dog. Oh my god, and it's warmer, getting warmer and warmer.
No, it's actually so nice. This is fun, Sayang. You really should actually one day, I should teach you this. I know why they are now here, because the sun maybe.
Yes.
Previously, I see the kids there, the group of kids you see on the video.
Nice.
And then I think it's beginning of season, maybe school holidays. The guy is shouting like instruction.
Nice.
So cool, I say. Nice. Nice. Last view of this one, we're going. They're gonna be actually, they building restaurant here actually. We just realized that's something new. And we were in this one, the building over there. It will be nice actually here, it will be snow. Ale then, too cold for you. Ale one day, Sayang, if we live here long, I will teach you how to ski, really. You're just used to with the weather, few years and everything. We're gonna going to ski. The restaurant here, look, will be very nice view
Right.
in the future.
And look at this one, the kids there.
Yeah. You know, in the countries like this one, they learn how to ski since the very young age. Oh, look at the sun. Oh, so lovely. We're going somewhere there from the bottom of the mountains to the what's the name of the city, son? Trutnov city. Never been there. There is some mall. We want to see the Czech mall. You happy, son, because we came here?
Of course, see something different, like, experience something different. It's just like, it's amazing
To see the Christmas market is nice, but we were in Wrocław, we were in Poznan, and then Gdańsk, and better to see the mountains in the snow, little bit of the nature. Yeah?
Yes, so
Totally.
nice.
Totally different. But I think it will be better if there is snow here, no?
Right.
Or you just
just
deep
cold.
inside you prefer like this. It's about 2 degrees right now. It was -1 when we arrived, and it's warmer because if it's -1 and +1, you can feel on your hands. And when I hold my camera with no gloves, we have a glove. So no, you don't have a glove. Took it off. Oh, so that's the sign is warmer. All right, we will see you on the true North City, and maybe we're gonna make some shot on the road. Saying where we are.
So now we are in the border between Poland and Czech Republic. As you see, that's the flag of
The flag
Poland
is there.
and Czech Republic.
And European Union, so there is no borders or anything. You just go here like changing the state, basically. This is also already mountains area, so it's 1,050 meter above sea level, so it's actually pretty high. And there where is this car actually crossing the border, literally, as you can see. So many people put
That's
sticker.
Poland.
Yeah, behind this sign, this building already belongs to Poland, and
here is Czech.
here is Czech. So nowhere else like that. Alright, idziemy. And that's the parking lot. And we're gonna go a little bit deep inside the Czech today, perhaps. Because we wanna go shopping. I said I wanna have a look how the shops in Czech. Dobra, idziemy, let's go. Parking is so empty actually. Hold on, I need to pay parking. So in the mountains, weather changing like this. You see, we are like literally, I don't know.
I think
3 kilometers.
this one shaky because of the road, guys.
Road in Czech Republic is little bit bumpy, and we are going down from the mountains. It's -2 degrees, but it's +1.5 on the top. So we are going actually more down, and it's more colder, and there is actually icy and very winterish, spooky climate. But it's actually nice. I mean, if you're watching us and you know me, as I am really big fan of winter. But Winnie just said, I don't want to film it, it looks scary.
Yeah.
Look at the river signs over down there. Ooh, so
fresh water.
Must be a fish there, strong.